If your Windows 11 PC feels slow, stuttery, or randomly hits unnecessary RAM usage and 100% disk usage, this video will fix that. Today, I will show you which Windows 11 services are actually useless, which ones are safe to disable, and which ones you should never touch unless you enjoy reinstalling Windows. Note, there is no universal disable everything list. I will clearly say who should disable what. So let's start with the most controversial one, Sysman, formerly known as Superfetch. Sysman was designed for old hard drives. If you are on Windows 11 with an SSD or NVMe, Sysman is not helping you. It's usually hurting performance. Symptoms include like random stutter, high disk usage, and unnecessary RAM usage. To disable it, press Windows plus R. Now type services.msc. Now find Sysman. Now set startup type to disable. Stop it and reboot. If you don't use Xbox Game Pass or Xbox networking features, these services are dead weight, such as Xbox Accessory Management Service, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, and Xbox Live Networking Service. Disabling this does not affect Steam, Epic Games, or offline PC gaming. No printer, disable print spooler. No Bluetooth, disable Bluetooth support service. Disable touch keyboard and handwriting panel service. You can disable this because Windows loads all of this whether you use them or not. Windows 11 runs multiple telemetry and diagnostic services in the background constantly, such as connected user experiences and telemetry, diagnostic policy service, diagnostic service host, and diagnostic system host. Disabling this improves privacy and reduces background activity. Don't worry, Windows Update still works. If you use a local account like mine or don't care about Microsoft Sync features, disable OneSync SVC, Sync Host and Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant. Disabling this stops background syncing for Mail, Calendar and Microsoft Store. These services exist for niche features most people never use, such as Download Maps Manager, Geolocation Service, Retail Demo Service, Windows Insider Service, and Windows Mobile Hotspot Service and Fax. Disabling this can reduce background activity. Windows Search Indexing constantly scans your files. If you are on SSD and don't rely on instant start menu search, just disable it. Before someone breaks their PC, here are services you should never disable, such as Windows Update, Task Scheduler, Plug and Play, DHCP Client, Cryptographic Services, and User Profile Service. Disable this means you are reinstalling Windows. Always set services to manual first. If nothing breaks after a reboot, then disable them. This gives you performance gains without risk. That's it. Your PC should now be quieter, smoother, and more responsive. So I hope this quick guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.